I got everybody a little life update from the life of Tommy C. Live from the Stonebelt Black Bullet. I first thing, I beat Tradesport by the nicest person ever. She has took me on way many good trips. And I gotta tell you guys something. If you guys ever choose Stonebelt as your provider, look for this person, okay? Her name is Julia Sink, and she actually told me that I'm gonna get to pick out the restaurant the next time when we go to state. So right now, currently showing you guys on the road right now. This is I-65 we're currently going. We're currently going to one of my favorite restaurants, AZ Pizza, which one of my favorite pizzas that they have there is called the Potato Head. That's with potatoes, that's with bacon. And the best parts, they actually put ranch as the pizza sauce. And I'm thinking about I might get that. Plus also to show you guys, I gotta tell you guys something. It's not Indiana without looking at these great woods out here. That's just like my calling, I have to say. And this is out to you, Daddy, Jim, and Mom. This farm up here, we actually passed an exit for a honey farm. Get that. That's plus just to show you guys what place I got in on Special Olympics today. I got in 5th place, and I feel honestly really proud of myself because of two reasons. Number one, I helped out one of my friends who was having a rough time, and like, why not? That's what friends are for. And number two, he actually helped me out during the and also next year I will be doing one of my favorite events at Special Olympics. I will be doing track and field, and holy shoot, I feel excited about that. That is like one of my favorite events. Let's also check out all these truckers. These are a lot of truckers, you guys. And also, I just have to say wow on the people that was the staff there today at the county tournament. The people there were awesome, number one. And number two, I think I made me some really good friends, like from the Terre Haute division. And I just cannot help it without saying that I'm just proud that I'm part of a really good agency. I'm part of Stonebelt, which honestly, you guys, this Stonebelt actually well, got started with one great person, and her name is Leslie Green. And she was like one of my all-time favorites. And get this, my mom, before they came around, was in the beginning, which so they helped out too. And right now we are listening to a good station. This is 100.7 Mix FM of Terre Haute. And honestly, if you guys are looking for like a better area to look around in Terre Haute, I would recommend the Terre Haute Bowling Center, or maybe Indiana State University, because those two places and all over there has some really great people. I just hope everybody has a great rest of your day. I just wanted to come on and give you guys a little bit of rundown from my county bowling tournament.